There's also US consumer confidence that rose to a 6-month high in August amid optimism over the economic outlook, but Americans are becoming more anxious about the labor market after the unemployment rate jumped to near a 3-year high of 4.3% last month. The better than expected reading in consumer confidence reflected improved perceptions of business conditions over the next 6 months. The consumer confidence index increased to 103.3 this month, the highest level since February, from an upwardly revised 101.9 in July as well.
Alright, keeping it with the macros then, UBS Global Wealth Management has actually raised the odds of the US recession to 25% from 20%, citing weakness stemming from the softer jobs growth and the July unemployment data, which actually stoked the fears of a downturn. The brokerage house maintained that its base case of a soft landing for the economy, with the consumer spending broadly determining the trajectory of growth. However, it also called the outlook pretty cloudy. Remember, earlier this month, JP Morgan had raised the odds of recession by the year end to 35%, while Goldman Sachs lowered its probability of the recession in the next 12 months to 20%. This they lowered after actually briefly going ahead and hiking the odds.
Alright, moving on, then market participants will be eyeing that key earnings report from tech darling Nvidia. The stock's volatility is top of mind for Wall Street. Any indication of waning demand or that a leading cloud customer is modestly tightening its belt potentially translates into significant revenue slippage coming in. Now, analysts have also gone as far as to call it the most important stock in the world right now. The expectation largely is around a fourth straight quarter of triple-digit growth, but at a reduced pace of 112% to $28.7 billion. Investors will be paying particularly close attention to their forecast for the October quarter as well.
Alright, moving on, you have South Korea Samsung SDI that has completed an agreement with General Motors to build a joint electric vehicle battery factory in the United States of Indiana. If you look at the two companies, they will be investing about $3.5 billion to build a battery cell manufacturing plant with an annual production capacity of 27 gigawatt hours initially. Also, if you look at Samsung, they've indicated that the joint plant aims for mass production in 2027, and an annual capacity is expected to actually go ahead and potentially rise to 36 gigawatt hours under the expansion plans.
Alright, moving on, then keeping it with stocks though, back home, Bharti Airtel has inked a partnership with Apple to bring exclusive offers for Apple Music and Apple TV Plus to customers in India later this year. Apple TV Plus will be included on Airtel's video streaming service Xstream with premium Wi-Fi as well as postpaid plans, and users of the company's music streaming service Wing Premium will have access to offers on Apple Music as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.